In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack channel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and a few helpful notes so you can tidy up your workspace without losing anything important. First, open Slack in your browser by going to slack.com or launch the desktop app if that's what you normally use. The process is the same either way. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace, especially if you belong to more than one. Leaving a channel only affects that specific workspace. Next, locate the channel you want to leave. You'll find your channels in the sidebar, usually grouped under headings like channels or you. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over the edge or click the icon to expand it. Click the channel's name to open it. Take a quick glance to confirm you're in the right place, especially if channel names are similar. Remember, leaving a channel won't delete any messages or files. It simply removes you from the conversation and stops notifications from that channel. Once you're in the channel, look toward the top right corner for the three dots icon, often labeled More Actions. This is where Slack keeps additional channel options. Click those three dots to reveal a small menu. Depending on your workspace's theme or updates, this menu might appear as a drop-down or a panel, but the option you need will be the same. In the menu, select Leave Channel. Slack may ask you to confirm that you want to leave. If a confirmation pops up, click to confirm. After that, you'll be removed from the channel and it will disappear from your sidebar.